I'm Bianca.
And I'm Grant.
And this is the Lake House Project. Hi everyone, welcome back to Golden Key Design. Today we're excited to start our newest project.
So my family recently purchased this property. As you can see, we're on the lake, so we're going to be calling it Project Lake House, and we're really excited to show you guys a walkthrough of the place of what it looks like before we get started. But first, we have an announcement to make.
We're excited to say that our team has grown by one, and we welcome Olive, who is our newest on-site manager. So you'll be getting some scenes with her as well.
So let's get started. Okay, so here's the front door, and as you come in, you hit this railing here. We're going to be removing this, and you can also see that the floor is raised here. We're going to be raising up this lower floor up to the same height, so everything is at the same level. We're going to be putting brand new tile in as well. And then this door here goes to the garage, and then as we step down here, we walk into the dining room. As you can see, there's popcorn ceilings as well. We're going to be getting rid of those too. And as I walk this way, we're now going into the family room. You can also see a large spiral staircase here. This goes up to the second floor and down to the basement. It's quite a massive piece. We're going to be getting rid of this because it kind of blocks the view to the lake as well as takes up a lot of valuable floor space right here. And as we continue this way, we walk into the family room with 2-story ceilings and a nice large fireplace. And as you can see, everything's clad with wood as well. And with this being a lake house, we're definitely going to be keeping this. However, if this wasn't a lake house, we might tear it out or paint it, but we think it adds a lot of character to the place. As we continue this way, we step back up into the kitchen, and we have an island here and a kind of a dining space and an L-shaped kitchen. But as I mentioned before, we're going to be removing this staircase, and the new staircase will start the same spot up there and continue down this wall in this direction. So all of these cabinets will need to be removed, and the new kitchen will be a galley kitchen along this back wall here. And then we're gonna have a nice large, probably 4x6 island right here and kind of get rid of this 2 separate spaces and just make it one big area. So that kind of covers the dining room, family room, and kitchen. And now we're gonna show you guys the first floor bathroom and first floor bedroom, but we're gonna have Bianca talk about those. Bianca?
Thanks, Grant. Let's head into our first bathroom. Here you can see we have a total gut. We have our nice textured purple walls to go with our extra low vanity. But we also have your classic pull-string toilet. Back into the hallway, we have a hall closet. Nothing too crazy, but we're happy we have it. We'll probably just do some built-ins here. And this is next to bedroom number 1. Here we have those popcorn ceilings we were talking about. We'll get rid of those. New light fixture, paint, rip out this old carpet. We're happy this is a decent sized bedroom with good closet space. But let's head upstairs. Here we have a den or office space. Again, we have this wood paneling, but we actually really like it for that lake house effect. But the best part of this space has to be our view. Lets in a lot of ample light. We have some trees, and you can also see all the boats going by. To maximize on that light, we're probably going to add a window here to let some light into the primary bedroom, which is actually right through here. We have a decent sized bedroom here. Again, we're going to do the same refreshments as downstairs, but we're not sure if we're going to keep this wood paneling running along here. Through here, we have a large closet. Again, a lot more wood. A lot more wood. We're going to get rid of these wire shelves, do some custom built-ins, refresh the ceiling, throw a nice light fixture in there. And then over here we have not another closet, but our bathroom. We have our 80s style extra low vanity again with some mirrors, which we'll be gutting. Over here we have a tub with 3 mirrors for your viewing pleasure, as well as a poop brown toilet. But my favorite part would have to be this window, so you don't miss any action downstairs. And now let's order Grant to show you the basement.
All right, let's go. So here we have the basement. As you can see, it's kind of become our living quarters slash storage room during the renovations upstairs. This will eventually be renovated, but it's probably going to be done last. But as you can see, it has a really nice view of the lake. We also have a really nice stone fireplace over there, as well as a built-in bar. And that staircase will be removed, so as you can see, it's going to be a pretty large open area with a lot of potential. We're still kind of deciding on the design though, so we'll see where that goes. There's also a lot of wood paneling throughout. We might keep this, we might not. It does add a lot of character, but as you saw, there's already a ton of wood in the place. And here we have the third and final bathroom. It's a little small, a little low ceilings, but it's nice to have the extra bathroom down here, and definitely a full gut, but still deciding on the design, but I think we have a pretty good slate to work with here. And then in here we have the utility laundry room area. Right now it's paddleboard storage, but we have a sewing machine area, a lot of good storage. And then here we have the washer and dryer. And then in here we have the HVAC and hot water heater and utility closet. And then heading this way we have our third and final bedroom. And this is where I will be staying. As you can see, it's very much a mess. Lots of just miscellaneous storage items, but this will also be renovated. We're probably going to be putting drywall as well as tearing out this old ceiling as well. So now let's head back upstairs.
That's a wrap on the walkthrough, and we're super excited to get building.
Leave a comment down below on any design ideas that you guys have. We'd be happy to hear them and maybe implement them. And if you want to like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it so that you can see the upcoming and future episodes. And as always, thanks for watching.
And happy building.
See you next time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Golden Key Design. Today we're excited to start our new project. I'm Bianca.
And I'm Grant.
And this is the Lake House Project.
Dining, family, and living room. Oh my God! Let's restart it. 1, 2, 3.
This window, so you don't miss anything out going on downstairs. I said that weird. Let's do it again. And that's a wrap on the walkthrough. Oh my God, stop. I didn't know what to say. I was already.